Multiplication with Arrays by GLewis Learning Hub. Subscribe, like, share, and if this video is helpful, please leave a comment. In today's lesson, you'll be learning about arrays, repeated addition. You'll be successful when you can create your own array and use repeated addition to solve a real world problem. All right, so let's view this assessment. I want you to pause this video and number your paper from 1 to 4 and choose which of the problems is the correct number. So you're going to use these problems right here and see which one of these graphs or charts matches the problem. So go ahead and pause the video and do the assessment. Pause the video and I want you to take time to look at the picture. What do you notice? What do you see? What do you think? And what do you wonder? So what is an array? Array is the arrangement of objects, pictures, or numbers in rows and columns. So look back at the image of the cookies in the cookie sheet. They are array because they are in rows, and columns. This is what makes this an array. In real world, we see arrays all the time, especially sometimes in classrooms when the teachers have the desk in rows. All right, so maybe in my class I'll have rows of 3 and about 5 students in each row. That is considered an array. So arrays are useful in multiplication. Let's go back to our cookie sheet. We have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 3 columns. And we would call that a 4-row by 3-column array, or 4 times 3. So if you're not familiar with math, maybe you don't know what 4 times 3 is. How can you solve it? You can do repeated addition. So let's add in the same number over and over and over. And we could solve this by saying 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, because we know that we have 3 3 columns. And in each column, there are 4 cookies. Or we could do 4 plus 4 plus 4, because we know we have 3 columns. And in each column, there are 4 rows of cookies, okay? We have 4 cookies. So let's go ahead, pause the video, and I want you to solve this problem.